Now come to the next. As I have described about the question, what we will do, we add the question 685, and as we know the multiplication both are the 160 and 145, but there is a minus symbol with them, so they added with one. Let's see how I have done. Minus minus plus, so 304. So we will divide minus subtract with the 685 and get the answer 381. Now come to the next, about uses of grouping symbols. What are the uses of grouping symbols? How you can describe? As I have explained you, odd mass. uh, Now come to the next, board mass. What is the board mass? So the board mass, we use grouping for simplification of expression with two or more fundamental operations. These grouping symbols are called brackets. If you solve any two expressions with in a one question, so these fundamental operations are in the coming with the grouping symbols like brackets. So the brackets is denoted by the capital B, and it comes always first. That is called board mass. So odd mass I have described you. Now come to the board mass. B. The B is uh, it means brackets, and solve it first. Always solve it for first. Then after we follow as it is odd mass. So there are three types of brackets: a small bracket, या parenthesis brackets, big brackets. You can also small brackets, round brackets. You can call. Now come to the curl brackets. It's also called brushes. And this is the square brackets or big symbol, or rectangular brackets or box brackets. So the bar. Oh, first of all, I explain about the board mass. What is the board mass? It means the B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. As I explain you, the first you will solve B for brackets. Brackets, and there is the small brackets. First you solve, then after curl brackets, then after the square brackets. It means there are the three orders. The first you will solve if the any question in a small bracket, so you will solve the small brackets or parenthesis bracket, or then after you will solve the curl, then after the square brackets you can solve the any